Hi there folks, and welcome back. Today on the Vice we've got another Basta. After me saying in my previous video I had never heard of Basta before, I've came across another. And this one's from Lockpicka69 and it says number 27 challenge lock. It works perfect. This is the button on the key, if that will focus for us. Let me just see. There we go. Not too shabby. So, let's get on with it. I've got the Mad Bob's pry bar in here, and I'm going to start by using the Sparrow's Lunatic just to see that. A little bit of core movement there. Probably didn't even catch that. It was probably more me feeling it through the pry bar. A little bit of counter rotation there, but no full set yet. Maybe a slight full set now. Changing picks to steep hook. Big deep false set now. And there we have it. There we go. Lockpicka69, number 27. That was actually a really nice pick. I enjoyed that. So now I'm going to lock her back up, pause the video, and the next time you see me I should have a pinning tray in front of me. So then folks, I have gutted the lock. It had grub screws in the bottom, so it was a very easy dismantle, and here is what we have inside. Driver pin, key pins are absolutely lovely. I'm assuming that Lockpicka69 has made these himself, and if that being the case, what a smashing job, mate. Excellent. I wish I was able to make pins like that, I tell you. And the driver pins, let's see, in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 going down to 1. Number 2, there's standard spool. And I have no idea what we're calling the rest. Obviously number 3's got serrations in there. Number 4 is the wrong way around. Let's turn you around. There we go. Wow. Very nice lock, mate. Well done for making such a cool lock. That's awesome. Okay, I'll put this back together. Thanks guys. Peace out and happy picking.